Hello there, this is binaryoptions.com, and we are continuing our Binary Options Academy projects with this time the notion of the apex of a contracting triangle, or what a contracting triangle or how a contracting triangle should be analyzed, as the apex is one of the most important things to consider. This is the Australian dollar US dollar 4-hour chart. As you can see, it is quite recently, in the sense that the example I want to show you happened here on this 4-hour chart, but on the first part here, as our project has two parts, as you very well know. On the first part, I would like to show you the notion of an apex, how to treat a contracting triangle, and what to expect moving forward. Well, a contracting triangle, as you very well know, it can be either a continuation pattern or a reversal pattern, and it travels within the A and C and B and D trend lines no matter what. Now, a contracting triangle goes with 5 legs, no more, no less, and should be labeled with letters. This would be A, and then we have a B wave, and then a C, a D, and an E, and then the triangle is done, and the triangle will break higher or lower depending on the trend it is being formed on. So it should be labeled with letters. Let's put here the letters. This would be wave A, the wave to the downside, the first wave. Then of course we should have the B wave, then the C wave, the D wave, and the E wave to the downside. Now, like any contracting triangle, because the concept of an apex applies only with contracting triangles, like any contracting triangle, we should look for the A and C and the B to D trend lines to contract, of course, like this. And that means that at one moment in time there will be a point at which these two trend lines are going to meet. That is represented by the apex. That point, it is being called an apex. So normally, projecting the A and C trend line and the B to D trend line on the right side like this, this point here, this is the apex of a contracting triangle. Now, the very notion of the apex comes with one beautiful thing, in the sense that it provides support or resistance for future price action. So normally we should just mark the level here, so we should take a line like this and then project it on the right side as much as possible, because every time price will come now to this level, this would represent support and resistance. Of course, the bigger the time frame, the stronger the support and resistance. The bigger the triangle, the stronger the support and resistance. So let's say that this is the apex of a triangle, and it offers support and resistance on the right side of the chart. Well, this is the theory, at least, and let's see on the second part of this mini educational series how to apply it on this example on the Australian dollar US dollar, and what were the results, as this is quite a simple concept to identify strong support and resistance levels. Stay tuned for the second part, please.